Do we have the district attorney on here too?
Yes, sir.
Oh, YouTube is up, it looks like. Hello, Miss Urso. All right, looking at our court reporter, she's ready. All right. Court calls State of Texas versus Ricky Joel Zapata. This is cause number 2024 CC 742144. We're here today for a plea. We're using the Zoom application to hold this hearing. We're also live streaming the proceedings so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in County Court at Law Number 8 in Bexar County, Texas, specifically in the jail court. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Sabrina Urso for the state.
Julie Pollock for Ricky Zapata.
So are you the same Ricky Zapata charged by information with the offense of criminal mischief between $100 and $750? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one you should see is called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me today, you're telling me those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Scrolling down to another document, it's called the Court's Admonishments. It's a 2-page document. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 is an electronic signature. I'm using my cursor to circle around. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
Approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments, and I make them a part of the record. And state of Texas, can you assist me in reciting the plea agreement that you have?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 44 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Zapata, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, sir.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I will allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that? Do you
Yes,
understand my question?
Talking to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
All right. I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments. I make them a part of the record. Oh, and got knocked off my game there. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's mainly competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, sir.
So to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Yeah. Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, no, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find him guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, sir.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement the state serves, sentence you to 44 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargains. You do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record and will provide a copy to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
The matter's concluded. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, that's one. Couple more, looks like. So, Miss Urso, how long have you been with the DA's office now?
I've been here since October,
Oh, good for you. How long have you been in jail court now?
about 1 week.
Oh, okay. Was Judge Canales here last week?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, he's the normal jail court judge. What were you doing before you were assigned here?
So I was in CC5 with Judge Arevalos.
Oh, okay. All right. I might have seen you there. Every now and then I sit by assignment in there as well. So I can't remember. All the DAs just start turning into a blur after a while for me. So
Yeah,
I've
that's
mentioned
fair.
before. Apologize, I don't remember. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. I do it a little bit differently than Judge Canales does it. So
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Judge Moore,
yes.
on Dwayne Smith, his attorney said he had a letter of vacation out and I could reappoint, but I don't know if there's an offer on this case. Ms. Urso,
There is an offer.
there is, okay. Judge, do you mind if I reappoint?
We don't mind at all.
Okay, thank you.
Then you find everything like that. What else? I'm on a Zoom right now. Are you okay if I
Thanks. All right, I'm here. Just let me know.